Welcome to BA Survival. Today I'm going to show you 5 man-made things you can light with your ferro rod. So the first one, nice and obvious, nice and easy, is some cotton wool. This is a good one to practice on if you've never used it before. So pin it down with your striker and then that lights. So one way to make that a little bit more effective is to take some Vaseline, is mainly made of Vaseline, and then just rub that in there. And then that will burn for a lot longer. Another good one is pieces of newspaper. Another one on the same sort of lines is a tissue. Pin that there. Another really good one is this. This is fire paper, or it may be branded under different names, but basically it's cardboard that has been waxed. You can pull that apart, split it up into its fibres, fiberize it. Is that a word? It is now. We're going to fiberize it. In that there, drop some sparks onto it. Nice and flat. Keep it in your wallet, keep it in your survival tin. I do quite like that one. The next thing that is good to light with a ferro rod, or at least to practice, is a candle, exposing a little bit more of the threads. Okay, thank you for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed that. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and check out some of these other videos.